Hey, a very good morning, friends. So, how are you? I hope everything is great. I am also great. So today, after a long time, I am here to discuss something about the gym. Once one my friend has told me to make a video, means what is gym, what is its benefits. So today, I am here to discuss something facts about gym. You can see the gym in the below left. Um, there is training school, and beside this there is gym. So today we are going to discuss gym. Let's start. So first of all, if you want to know something, you can also click on the question mark. Okay, from here you can read and know about something, but it's better to experience something rather than reading something. So today I will tell you what is this. So first of all, this is a gym in which you can create your own gym. Like a guild, you can create your own gym and you can play. So before creating a gym, before joining a gym, here's a, here's the option join the gym. Before joining a gym, you have to click on the search gym. Search gym will give you some strategy meeting status. Look, I will click on it. So it's searching. Yeah, I got a increases the dodge rate of fighting type moves by 3%. This is our strategy meeting. If you click on the strategy meeting, you can see there are a lot of different type of status here. I got one of them. So now if I will join the a gym, I will open a gym, then the strategy meeting of the gym will be the same as increases the dodge rate of fighting type moves by 3%. Okay, you can get other strategy meeting status also, means one of them, you can get any one of them. Okay, so now let's make our gym. I'm going to join the gym. Okay, so by clicking on this, you are going to now make your own gym. Then okay, and here you have to select a type. Okay, you can select anyone. So I will select psychic. Okay, psychic, or I select ghost. Okay, no, dark. Okay, now give a name of your gym. I'll name just dark. Okay, now I am confirming this. Oh, that guild already joined. Someone has named that guild the same name. Okay, so I will select fairy. I'll I have to give a name, a different type of name. What can I give? Mm, let's give it verse. Let's see. Okay, verse is okay. So today I had I had created my own gym. You can see by clicking on gym, there are some of there are something like gym and invitation. If anyone has invited you, you can see here invitation record, gym battle, member impeachment. Okay, by clicking on uh, gym, you can see those. Okay, in the left top corner, you can see there is fairy, which we had selected a while ago. Fairy type, fairy attribute. So it's the fairy attribute here. Below this, view members, the members in your gym will be shown here. Also, view members means what are their members, their star level, attributes, points. Look here, I created my gym, so I am here. Gym typing, as you can see, my ranking, I am unlisted because I just created my list gym now, so I am unlisted. There are some other guild, sorry, gym members, as you can see. Okay, So now now here a strategy meeting, as we have selected in the starting, there is our strategy meeting. Okay, and above this you can see September 11 day start the gym tournament. On this day we will have a gym tournament with other gyms, and even I don't know about this gym tournament because I just created the gym. Okay, I will see in September 11. And the most important thing of this gym is, if you click on the daily training, as you can see above my gym, there is daily training. Okay, after clicking on this, you will see this type of page. Okay, there are five different type of Pokemons, and and their trainings. You have to just train them. You are not going to train your best Pokemons like legendary Pokemons, Mewtwo, Slacking. Okay, you are only these five Pokemons. You have to train this Pokemon. As you can see, there are different type of training. Like in this fighting type Pokemon, you have to boxing, means you have to do boxing training. You have to do arrow training, and here is swimming training. Okay, and let's just start one. Okay, let's just start first training. I will begin the boxing training. Okay, so let's just start. 3, 2, 1. You have to click on boxing when the bar is full. As you can see above, look, 0 kg. I failed. That was good. As you can see, 999 kg here in the left side. As you can see, 999 kg. It was very good. So you had I got some rewards. As you can see, amulet cleansing, super candy, gym medal, and this is the most important thing. Boulder badge. You will get different type of means badges after training different type of Pokemons. Okay, so our one training is completed. Let's start and then another one. This is Archer one, Archer training. Okay, you have to do like this. This will show your power. This is my best, fullest power. This is my weakest power. I'm using my this lower power. Okay, and now adjust your Archer, adjust your arrow, and then more power needed, and then click on this shoot arrow. Click on shoot arrow. Oh, I missed two. Let's try again. Okay. Mm, yeah. Okay. And let's click on shoot arrow. 1, 2. I missed two again. I will not miss that now. I will use my superpower. Just the let's click on shoot arrow. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I missed one. That's okay. Again, let's see, three only. Okay. Yeah. Four. All four. Three. Okay. It was good. Again I got something, and this time I got a boulder badge of dragon type. You can see fixed typing. In fixed typing you can see dragon type. It's a dragon type Pokemon special attack, add 5 points. Means if you have a dragon type Pokemon, then after using this badge you can increase its special attack by 2 points. No, sorry, 5 points. Okay, let's start third one. I have to do swimming here. You have to click on walk when the yellow bar is in green region. Click on this. What means you have to you have to keep this yellow arrow, whatever this is, in green zone only. Okay, just keep it in green zone. Don't let it out from green zone. Like I am doing, you have to do the same thing as I am doing. After some time, okay, I run 1675 meters, sorry. And I got, look, this time I got a psychic type Pokemon. HP add 3 points, and psychic type Pokemons add HP 27 points. Its Cascade badge is super. Boulder badge is less weak, but Cascade badge is very much, means very good. Okay, and now I can train. I have only 3 points every day. I have only 3 chances every day. As you can see, this here: strength training, AGI training, endurance training, balance training. You can see your training. Okay, here that's not important. Training was important. This was important. Okay, now I'll show you the application of this. The video is long, but sorry, but it's very beneficial. As you can see, I have Mewtwo, and yeah, also I will make other video. I didn't show you form changing of Mewtwo. I will discuss this in next video. For now, let's see the badge. Look here, below the dress. Sorry, below the dress, as you can see here, dress, and below this you can see that badge. After clicking on this, you can see I had used this badge on my Mewtwo. Sorry, I had used this badge. You can see psychic type Pokemon add physical attack 23 points. After using this, my physical attack of Mewtwo was increased by 23 points. I will show you more. Look, wait. I will make other video of this. As you can see, there are different type of options. I will make other video about this. Let's see the application of badge first. What is this badge? Dark type Pokemon. Okay, leave it. Dark type again. Dragon type. Dragon type. I don't have any dragon type Pokemon. Yeah, I have. Palkia has a dragon type Pokemon. Let's use this. What will it will increase a special attack. Okay, I'll show you a special attack first. In fourth, you can see a special attack is 8114. Okay, 81. Remember this, 8114. Oh, I can't. These badges are only useful for mega Pokemons, so I can't use this on Palkia. Let's see if I can do anything else. Fairy. I already used Fairy. Dark type Pokemon. Psychic, Dragon, Dark. I will use on this different type. Wait, Dark. I have a Dark Pokemon Umbreon. Okay, I will use this on Umbreon. Just to show you, I am going to use this. Okay. Yeah, after clicking on this rainbow button, you can see where dark. Yeah, dark type Pokemon physical attack add 2 points. It's very less, but I will show you. Okay, a special attack 8 points. I will show you this. Wait, first let's check a special attack. A special attack is 3337. Only 3337. After using this, yeah, let's drag it, sorry, drag it like this here, and click on the Umbreon, confirm it, and now 337, it was 3337. Let's see, yeah, it increases by 8 points, 3345. This is the benefit of these badges. Okay, this is the benefit of gym. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.